Hey everybody, if you are joining me today, that means you have purchased the CEO Digital Planner. Yay! Thank you all for purchasing the planner, and I am so excited to get you started on how to utilize your planner for keeping your business organized, okay? So this first video is going to be how to save your digital planner on your iPad and then upload it into a notes app of your choice. Today I'm going to be utilizing Notability, which is one of the apps that I tend to use. It is a wonderful app. It is free. I use it in my daily, my personal life, and my work life. So we're going to utilize that today to upload our planner. If you have another tablet, if you have an Android tablet, or if you're using your computer, I have included a few options in the description of the planner on my webpage, www.studiochicc.com. So make sure you run back over there to check out what other note options I have supply for you guys. But for today, we're going to utilize the iPad and we're going to utilize Notability to upload our planner, okay? So let's get started. So if you've purchased the planner, you will have received your email with a zip drive, which includes the planner and this video and the next video, which will show you how to utilize the planner. However, right now I am recording this while we are in the pre-order phase. So I've kind of created a test situation for us to just kind of see how to start this process. It won't have everything in it because, again, we're in the pre-order phase. So, but it will look similar to what you're going to receive on the release date. So let's get started. So in your email, you will have received your email from me with your planner. And if you ordered during the pre-order time, you also received a digital ebook. So that all should come in a zip drive, which you see here to the right, okay? So we're gonna open this zip drive. It's gonna say preview content, okay? So here is our digital planner, okay? So right now it's just showing us a preview of it from the zip drive. Now how we save this is we go to the share button here up in the right hand corner, okay? You're gonna click that. Now before you do all this, please make sure you go to the App Store and download the Notability app if that's what you're going to use to utilize your planner. And we can go through that really quick. For those who may be new to the iPad world, you would just open up the App Store, okay? You will go to down here to the search button, and you're just gonna type in Notability, which you see it is coming up already. You click that, and this is the app, okay? Again, and there's GoodNotes, which is another popular app that you can use. You want to use an app that will allow you to import PDFs and have the PDF markup. You see here on the GoodNotes, it says PDF markup. You want to be able to do that. If the app allows that, then you can use it by any means. But you see that GoodNotes actually costs. We're using Notability, which is free, okay? So we're going to go out. Okay, we're going to go back to our email. Okay, so we've opened up the CEO Business Planner. We're going to go up to the share button. You're going to scroll over, and this here is your favorites bar, okay? So within this, once you upload Notability, it should show here, okay? If it doesn't, just go over to the three dots here for more. You'll find it down here, you'll click it, and it will add it to your favorites bar, okay? You wanna make sure it's in the favorites bar, okay? Now we're back to our CEO Business Planner. We're gonna go to share, okay? We're gonna go to save to files, okay? Because we need to save it first because it's just in a zip file right now. It's not anywhere on our iPad. So we're gonna go to save to files. You're going to choose where you want to save it. Now, everybody who has an iPad has an iCloud Drive. I suggest you save it there. You can make a folder. You see I have a ton of folders. And you'll just save it somewhere within your iCloud Drive file, okay? I'm not going to do that because I already have it saved, but I'll show you how to go and open it after this, okay? So we're going to go out of our email. We're going to go into our iCloud, our Files app. It's actually called Files app. It may be somewhere different on your iPad. I keep mine at the bottom because it's something that I use consistently. So you'll go to your Files app, and then you will go to your planner, wherever you kept it. So if you did it on the iCloud Drive, you'll click on iCloud Drive and you'll find it there, okay? So here is where I filed mine. I'm going to open it up, okay? Now we're going to go over to the Share button again. You already saved our Notability into our favorites bar, so it's here. So now we're going to import it into Notability. We're going to click on the Notability icon. It's going to ask you if you want to create a new note or add to existing. You want to create a new note. Then it's going to ask you, where do you want to save it? Now, mind you, if you are new to Notability, please open the app first and set everything up before you go to this step, okay? Because you want to, you can either set up a subject or whatever now, or when you pull this up, it'll ask you what subject, and you can always add a new subject from here. But you want to open the app to make sure that you've went through the setup process and all that, and it's ready to go, okay? So once you get to this screen, you're going to want to you want to select a subject where you want this planner to live. For me, it's under SCC Planner, which is Studio Chic C planners. So I have mine live there, okay? So then all I want to do is click import. We want to leave it at all pages. So we'll click import, and just like that, it's done. One file sent to Notability, okay? Click done, and now you're ready to utilize your planner. So I click Notability, SCC Planner. I have a few in here that I've played with before I released it. So, but here you can see PDF Digital Planner. It's here, ready to go. Open it up, and there it is, ready for us to start planning, okay? So that's it for this video. If you want to know how to utilize the planner, go ahead and click the next video, and I'm going to go through the planner, how to use it, give you some suggestions, show you around it, how to add pages and all of that. So I'll see you in the next video.